Am I the only one that didn't know water damage can hide in plain sight? Let's uncover it together. Water damage can be sneaky, hiding out for weeks or even months before causing major headaches. Here are some warning signs you should never ignore. Peeling paint, musty odors, warped floors, and those unexplained high water bills. These clues could mean you've got hidden moisture buildup. And if left untreated, you're looking at mold growth, weakened foundations, and long-term damage that'll empty your wallet faster than you can say leak. At BIONIC Emergency Services here in Houston, we're the pros at detecting, mitigating, and restoring water damage before it turns into a disaster. Our expert team is on call 24/7 to provide rapid water extraction, professional drying, and complete restoration services. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your home or business with our trusted services. Give us a call at 346-275-3383 or visit us online at bionic24365.com. Remember, we're here for Houston and the surrounding areas, ready to restore your peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to keep your home safe and sound.